Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject for the week is the Logitech G335 Gaming Headset.
Feelings part our ways, keeping us close but it's strange now. Dreams holding us close.
This is the second Logitech product we are reviewing on this channel, and I think it's a step up from the last one we reviewed, which was the Logitech G332, and I must say that I'm impressed. It comes in mint, black and white. It weighs 240 grams. It is easy plug and play. In the box we have the headset and a 3.5mm adapter cable. Like always, I'm going to be using the microphone of the headset for the voiceover of the video so you can hear what it sounds like. Are you ready? Let's go.
Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now.
The headband, like the rest of the headset, is made out of hard plastic that is still flexible. The headset consists of two parts: the plastic part that is bendable and stretches quite wide, and the ski goggle strap. It's adjustable on two levels and it stretches and expands well. The headband pulls out at the end of it to further aid adjustments. The strap is quite comfortable, but I find it to be a little limiting. If the head is big, you may have to take it off. Besides that, I find it very comfortable with or without the strap.
Through the fields of our paths.
The ear cups are somewhat rectangular in shape. It's built with the same plastic as the headband. Really sturdy and very well made for the most part. I like the design. It is not over the top, and even without the usual RGB aesthetics, it still looks really good. I especially like the white and blue theme.
Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so.
The earmuffs are made with foam wrapped with a mesh material that is airy and breathable, so there's no heat around your ears. The sound profile of the speakers are great. For me personally, this is the kind of sound I like. The bass sound isn't so heavy. I find that heavy bass tends to drown out some of the sound, but I understand that most people like it heavy. The rest of the sound profile is properly balanced, doesn't sound muddy, really good. I'm impressed.
Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now.
The microphone is a unidirectional and adjustable boom on the right ear cup. It is bendable so you can adjust it to suit your need. The microphone sounds natural and clear. Although it sounds, for lack of a better word, thin, it does deliver a good noise handling capabilities, so whoever you're talking to will have no problem hearing you even if you're in a noisy place. To mute the microphone, just flip up the boom. There really isn't much as relates to control, since the microphone can be muted by flipping up the boom. There really isn't any need for an inline control because the volume scroll is located behind the left ear cup. So let's move on. The audio cable is 1.5mm long and it ends with a single TRRS audio jack that offers a full range of audio and microphone capabilities. They provided a Y splitter cable that you can use for devices that have a separate audio and microphone jacks.
Recalling it backwards, our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
So in summary, the Logitech G335 is a great budget headset. It's comfortable, lightweight, and decently built. The boom microphone does a good job isolating speech from background noise. I think they could have done a better job as relates audio leakage, but I also think its performance outweighs its faults. I give this headset the T.O.B stamp of approval.
Even when we're free.
Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them across the social media platforms. For more videos like this, check out our playlists. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. We're still doing request videos. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. I'll be looking out for your comments. So until next time, take care.